Okay, so I wanted to give you a little help for your homework. So let's remember the two conditions for the mean value theorem. So one, f must be continuous on the closed interval a to b. Remember, closed, it's where a and b are included. And the second condition is 2, f must be differentiable on the open interval of a comma b. Right, so a and b are not inclusive, it's differentiable within that interval. So if we look at number 1, in the diagram below, the graphs of 4 functions are drawn over the closed interval a to b. How many of these functions do not satisfy the conditions of the mean value theorem on a to b? Well, if we look at this first guy here, I have this function from a to b, and according to condition 1, it must be continuous on the closed interval. Well, at a, we can see there is a jump discontinuity. So this guy does not satisfy the conditions of the mean value theorem. That's up to you to check for the rest. Example number 2. This graph is shown below over the closed interval a to b. How many points is the mean, at how many points is the mean value theorem satisfied? So what I can do is I can draw these horizontal lines through this graph. I'm just drawing horizontal lines where, actually, take that back. Let me take that back. I'm drawing lines, secant lines through the graph. So here's one secant line from here to here, touches, here to here, here to here. So after I drew all these secant lines, how many tangent lines would map on to those secant lines? I'll leave that up to you to figure out. Okay, so the next one. Which of the following functions do not satisfy the conditions of the mean value theorem given this interval? Again, you're checking out these two conditions. Both of these conditions for 1, both for 2, and both for 3, and then you can answer the question. Look at the back. This guy, does not satisfy. So it does, we already know it doesn't satisfy the mean value theorem, but why? So you're looking at 5 different reasons why. Only one of these reasons is true, why it does not satisfy the mean value theorem. What I would do with this is I would sketch it. So sketch a graph of this and then see. Is it not differentiable or is it not continuous? Number 5. You do this the same way we did it in class, right? Step 1, find the average rate of change, right? These are our x values, find y and use the slope formula. Then find f prime, and then set f prime equal to your average rate of change to find c. Number 6. Again, I would evaluate, I would find my average rate of change for this guy. And then I would find f prime. Then I would use the calculator. So use your calculator. Use your calculator for this one. But again, first find the slope, your average rate of change. Whatever that is, find the derivative. And then look for your answer in the calculator. Hopefully you know what I mean by that. And 7 through 9, you're doing, again, the same thing you do for number 5. So remember your steps. Right? First step is find your average rate of change. Step 1. Step 2, find f prime. Step 3, set f prime equal to your average rate of change, and then find C. Don't forget, this is due Monday. It is being graded. It is being collected and graded.